Yo, so me the kind of the woman. You know, some of the fancy holidays. I don't fucking know why, man. I just feel. And for the average person who work a 9 to 5 and shit, I see why them love holiday and them shit. When I was in school and them thing there, I see the purpose of holidays, you know what I mean? I see how important it was for just have that little moment there and not do the same thing over and over. Get a nice little break for just chill and relax. So I see why, you know, to everybody else it's something, but I don't know, maybe because of YouTube and then the freedom that it gives me, I just feel like holidays are it's just some extra days for like waste time and not get nothing productive done. Again, it based on my perspective now of doing YouTube and doing things we do is not a regular 9 to 5. You know, something will give me freedom. So you know, so some things there's an advantage and disadvantage to everything. Because if I had a regular 9 to 5, but holidays would have sweet me, you know. But I'm glad to they exist and them. But now it just, I don't know. And I think it also comes with experiencing just too much holidays over the past, and it's the same thing you do every holiday. If you're not turning your yard and clean and watch TV, then you go probably go somewhere like a beach or a river. The activities have just become sort of cliche, mundane. You know, it's boring, really and truly. Bored out of my goddamn mind. So, and then when you try to do something on a holiday, there is nowhere open, and if you are gonna try to get some fast food, you can't get it because the line them long and them thing. I'm mad, bruh. Come here, try to film my Kevin tries for the first time now, and then I KFC line long, brother. Cause people not there they yard. I am stressed. So apparently KFC don't have their I understand, like, how they don't have things wanna provide to the public, man. How they don't have things they don't have the buffalo wings.
How much were those eggs?
So them just have the mango habanero. So that means I will have to come back. There's another KFC, but I don't feel like going. Go stand up on all of them price. Instagram, we don't need to come up with something so that the video like stop, make sound after like 4, please. Like, you just can't keep going and make noise on my head. Shit, man. But he always kind of concerned about like the microwave over the stove. But I guess because on a like real fire stove, cause most American or overseas homes them use electric stoves and so. But it just feel like that one design flaw, but people still use it. I don't want nothing over a stove, no cabinet, no cupboard, no nothing over a stove. I think it's maximizing space, but I don't want nothing over my stove, isn't it? Stove for have ear, you know what I mean? AFC, big up on yourself for stress me out in the day, you know what I mean? Breeze a blow, my apologies. What I try to shoot now is just go lost myself somewhere. And I think I have the perfect place. So come on, Barmanos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I don't know where I'm going, man. Screw it. I'm in the bushes again. Them type of road, yeah. Hold on, look over so. Look over so. Zoom out, nigga. Them road, yeah. From me a little boy. And I am amazed by how them still sturdy. No wally for pothole, no nothing. But the road them where them a make nowadays. If breeze blow a road mash up. Them patch it this week, 2 days time, half an hour. Can I get too much? Half an hour from that, the road dig up again. Them road here, from me a little youth, they stay so. Perfection life, cheese go. Seek life up and jelly. Rastafari the bagolo. For your bird, cannibal jelly. So the seed is just there right there, so. All along. Look over so people. See right there, son. Can I go there? Back when me the younger, you couldn't really see over them place, yeah. So whole here, so that's why I used to bush up. But right down so you can't really see. So honestly, me did think one on palm tree and sitting. But most of them things they exist there so. When me a youth, me did think say over here so, over them place here, was a gully. Cause you know anyway you see them wall here, anyway you see them type of wall here, a gully it stop you from go. But I guess not. I gotta drive a little bit further on them something. Not a little bit further. We just go until every time we see something interesting we stop and we look for it, isn't me? Yeah man, no GPS. No problem, brother. You remember up so? Look there. All them things them I never know say so close me live to this. But when me did younger that never exist. Cause you know say I think around in the 2000 when them come out. I want to find somewhere where me can look off and see the beach again. That would be nice.
I'm living dangerously. Why me a drive with the car almost past speed? Living dangerously.
One thing about that road there, you know, man. A one car if you really drive on it, you know, I'll be a one-way road them, you know. As much as they stay sturdy, then they build them narrow your frig. Hey, you have to use your horn at them places when you go around corner, you know. You better use your horn here. Yeah man, sound up your horn, papa. Kick it. Me did that talk about road, but look on them one here. Look at the smoothity. Look at the smoothity. Look at the smoothicalistics. A different type of smoothness this in the people. Yeah man, I have to go and close one here and make it so okay. To that little place here and I thought it looked interesting. Now do I know whose land this is? Of course not. Am I trespassing? Possibly. But do I give a fuck? Nah son. Yeah, well, come up here go and see what I go on. Anybody say yo, me just say yo back. Not yo, you know me, I say yo back. No business bro lad. Fully done. If you don't need pine tree, let me know, you know. I know say in a Christmas time, rich people want to buy pine tree. So no let me know, I have a pine tree link. You see me? You can pluck off and sell it. I know my thing go already. Remember when I was younger, I used to love do them thing, you know, just like go explore and walk in a bush. And I'm bridging them. And I hear that? Them willow tree, the pine cone tree them. But are the small pine cone them, not the big old one them. I small pine cone them. I used to take them and fling them after one another. But one if you not hear that sound there. With the wind passing through the pine cone. Sounds rather relaxing. And I stay here so for long, but it just want to trespass a little bit. With a brother there over there so with camera sitting. A TVJ. A CVM. I kind of park the car one weird place, you know. That's my backyard that. So a coconut tree up there so. For the one time I got thief coconut, but no, I got chance here, you know, because I don't want to get chopped, shot, or stabbed. When I hear it, I want everything would have sell me 1.5 tree. Because I buy it right now. I see if I can buy one coconut from somebody. You watch the next one, me see, and they look accessible. I can try to buy a coconut. So I'm guessing this is where we are. Woodlands. Yo, years, I don't see them flowers here, you know. When I hear the song go, when I see the little lily pushing out the mighty soil, how I marvel at the wisdom of my God. That's what they were talking about. That's a lily. He's smoking. You're smoking blood. Last time we never get to reach a Pussy Hill. We're going to Pussy Hill. But the direction where we are going to say Morley Hill. All these hills, bro. There was a sign that was saying like down or left or right. And I don't want to go left and right, bro. I just want to keep going down, you know. But really and truly, like, you know what I mean, going down just feels better. You gotta be quiet, Kevin. You gotta be quiet. I also saw something that's slightly interesting. When I'm going back, I'll grab a clip of it if I can. A 2-pump gas station. You know what I mean? Like they were like, it's 2 pumps and we're done. We don't need a 4-pump gas station. Oh shit, it's real muck water, brother. Y'all know who that is right there. Them is the police, man. Yeah, back to the 2-pump gas station. Like I said, them want to build 2 pumps. And like, yeah, 2 pumps and we're done. And kinda sounds like me and her. 2 pumps and I'm done, baby. Whoever lawn this is, lawn look pretty, nah lie. But the lawn look good. Hello, mommy. Good evening. You sell the coconuts? Him just gone on so. I try to buy one coconut, you know, and see if bossy would have said. Just want a coconut, man. I see it on the tree, then I say, let me get one. You see me? You don't fit? Alright. Okay. Alright, give thanks, yeah, man. He said, you know, start make blah, 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 jelly. A baby, them. So, we gotta try somebody else, brother. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. She did dance in the club for the homegirls. Homegirl. Country people understand, say a young girl fee in a bar. The blood stain of the old people may have seen in a bar. Them all kind of, I want to show y'all something, man, but I'm not going to show you yet. I'm trying to like get to like a little spot where I can like park properly and like show you like, you feel me, what I'm looking at. It's magnificent, man. Where the fuck am I going? Send help! I do believe that we have literally reached the end of the road, yeah? Hear sounds of like somebody plowing a farm or something. Yeah, somebody I cut down tree over there. So. Got a nice little farm of sorts right here. Where the fuck the function? Father God, no make me puncture down here, so please. Don't make me puncture in the bush, sir. Right I know, cause me well stush, sir. I'm not come home to fix the tire. Me a go ball, me a go cry. We have reached the end of the road. Let's see if we can give you a clear view of what I saw. Wow, the farmland is beautiful. Where the fuck the function? But I see it. The ocean is literally right there. That's the beach. See, come on, man. Right there. Something they really go on here. So, look at that, man. Beauty. Blood fleet. Go on there. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. I try to get a better view. Up in the hills kind of look nice. I'm also still looking back into the hills. Sometime in our life you have to just explore, brother. So I'm out here. I'm out here in the bushy, bro. In the name of Christ. No foolery now happen to me. Country people now. I ain't a foolery like that. You know? But I think I'm gonna get to a little spot now that's gonna give me a nice view. I pray it does give me a nice view. The breeze is not as crazy, so when I suppose you who hear me good. We walk on Mall Road left now. My regular road not really. Alright, I get breezy. I wonder which direction is that? The sun is that way, so that means that's west. So east. And I'm looking at a mountain right from here. So I look at a mountain right there. So yeah. And then you have the beach along there. That looks nice. This looks like a picture of sorts. I'm gonna take this picture. I know, and I'm probably worried. Kevin, what are you doing in the bush, man? I'm gonna explorificate. Come on, by my nose, everybody, let's go. Them look a place I want to go camp, you know. Nice like a palm tree and them things. I know it's a member of the palm family, right? It has to be a member of the palm family, cause it's like, you know, yeah. But I got down more, but I now get the pretty view, Virgin. But I hope I would get a nice little thing where like a cliff and me I look off, but I now get that. I get that. I think this is far this me I go in, brother. Oh, hold on, brother. Hold on to bumbuckle. Yeah, man, I hate this, man. Right here, so a good thing, me never turn back. See, sometimes in a lot of people, you just nothing turn back, because you don't know how far you're there from it goal. Look over this, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can zoom in on it too. And then we go so boom and focus. Look at that, man. What I would want to do is just like they are right on the edge of right down there, so I just show you. And I look off over into so. Look like somebody ground there over there so on them thing. And the road no go, you know, go no more further. It really I run parallel to where me either want to go. I don't know, maybe somewhere else there where you can lead me to like a little lookout point. I'm gonna try inquire from the people them. Very important question I have right now still, isn't it? Where the function? Somewhere like this. Have all a nice lawn where the grass cut low, beautiful view of the sea, and people just come there, come camp. No light pollution, so that on a clear night, crazy star quality I look on. I set up something like that in. Use them money first, you know. The thing we beat most away, I have a conversation now with a brethren of mine. We have the ideas, what is that shit? Brother, what is that? This not look like some alien sitting of some sort. That no look slightly alien too, no, like an egg where I had some red sitting where I got miamuno. See them rosemary where you see them talk about seasoning where you put by your food and sitting? It's a wild one. Yep. Strong your shit. As I was saying, man, capital youths them want to start certain little business ideas, you know? Or you want some people who are willing to invest and also are going to cut you in. And not just thief your idea and go use it and not even say, yo, see some bread here, you know? You know them honest, good, decent people you want to work with when you do them things. Just to see the idea come to life, like it doesn't matter if me are going to lose or not. Just want to see the idea come to life. You know like how Mr. Beast operate? I know say him lose probably a shit ton of money. But just because him can explore all of them ideas there, he's able to make also a shit ton of money. More rosemary. Rosemary for days. I need to complete my coconut mission though. You say I can complete the coconut mission? That would be great. Them flowers here? Well, not really flowers, but them grass here. I remember only seeing them like around like Christmas time. You know it's at Christmas time when you see them because the place get cold and them thing there. But I guess down here so it kind of cool already, so not really Christmas alone them pop out. I'm seeing a lot of rosemary. Who want rosemary? Because I sell rosemary now. The function. The function. I say look, kind of nice. Wow, the farmland is beautiful. It have a nice like a thing about it. Right up in there, so it just look pretty. I wanna be there. Is that me? Is that me that smells so red? It can't be, nigga. I know me, man. That right there, I think is a beaut. I need a picture of this. I need a picture. I don't know, I thought this was kind of like worth stopping and looking at. Weird little phenom. If you look at like the little trees and shit, I don't know what I'm showing you. I thought I was done too. But no, nothing that. Yo, Kevin, you not gone home? Nope. Sometimes when you explore, you can't be done. You gotta explore some more. Nah, that don't feel right. I was trying to say something that was, you know. I try see if I can get to a little place where when I look, I'm just looking straight at the ocean. That's what I'm trying to do. But it might not exist. I'll keep looking though. I'll be relentless in my pursuit of happiness. I'm on a pursuit of happiness. mercy, I know. I better get out of here, because it's real spooky now. I don't see no street light. You know, say anytime you don't see no light wire, no street light, you don't want dead when night fall. Yeah, you is not one of dead when night is fall. I feel like say when a day in Manchester no more. This field down in a Senti. I know what funny, I might steal Manchester in there, you know. But on a funny hillside we don't no more, isn't it? That over there, so. When we did in our hills, we da show uno. Set out to achieve being lost and just go lost myself somewhere. And I think that's the case right now. And I just keep going. Cause sometimes I like, brother, I have a lost. I joke. And I like, you're not for last. Yeah? You're not for last. A while ago I saw a sign that it says Port Maho. But at first glance, I thought this shit said Portmore. I said, where the blood state? What kind of wormhole am I going get transported to Portmore, eh? See the people them have some, like them little baskets. Not basket. Them have bundles, skeleton on the side of the road. Like huge bundles. And they are like very green. If I can get for showing them, I go show them. Them the skeleton they drop in a pot. Blood stain. Food if you have a massive, like it got just taste good. The flavor of it supposed to have boss. Once more again. The boy too crazy gonna explore again. Him just a drive by. Gone on tour again. Him not up and talk. No more again. Anyway. What? Look at this view, brother. We're definitely there in a Senti now. Because I be a flat man, see, we're no longer on the hill. See the hill them behind me there? See hill there? And we are looking at it. We're almost in a flat. I keep going still. Another time I'll definitely get to that beach, but I think it's time I head home. So I'm just going to keep following this road until it leads me somewhere that leads me back to getting back home. I guess not done for me. That's where we were. All them things them I never know say so close. Me live to this. We were on the other side of that. Yeah, the internet they on the phone, but me not turn it on through. Me know say it a go suck battery life on it sitting there. Okay. Yeah, alright, bro. I page you when me circle back in that place. I'm at it. I'm melon, me run down still, you know. Can't get the coconut, so a melon me I go after. And the old school greeny melon them, because I don't like the greeny one them, the sun green melon them. One of them one there. How much for this? Hmm? Them not selling coconut there. I want coconut, me want to for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, you have. She have the coconut right there, so it's a double way. How much for them? 250. Alright, give me one of coconut. Hmm? So, what you mean I get for cutting?
I'm not best with knife.
Yeah, you have machete? Oh, you have a me using knife on cutting. So put me chop off my finger though. You have insurance and them thing. Jelly bust up my people and I don't know the thing. I mean, I was going to drink it straight out of this. Like a barbarian, but I think the mission is accomplished. I can't just turn back right there, so I don't need for like go no further. Should I probably try a piece of melon? I mostly for my daughter than really me. Yeah. So if you want to use skeleton or whatever, do, this is possibly one of the places where your skeleton come from where they in your pot right now. That jelly they did nice. It was sweet. So if you come a Senti, look a shop on that tree right there, so I mean in front of the skeleton bed. And you know see Kevin said. I think we found out where the fuck the function is. The bugs are like sitting dog, skeleton. Tell you no, I load up for the market and them things. Never really seen anything like that. tower with lights and it look like you have stairs and you can go up there. Yeah, it's intriguing. There's a 2-pump gas station. 2 pumps. 2 pumps. Probably should I buy some? Nah, I'm living dangerous. Aye. Brother? Yes, no. Time is now. Now people, wanna look here. Watch here, watch what happens. In? Watch it pitch black. And fuck the function! You never turn on that and see how somebody turn up in the Glide Road. Pussy! And fuck the function!